5 practical uses of get out for everyday English. Hello. Today we are going to explore the phrasal verb get out and its different uses in English. This versatile phrase can express a range of actions, emotions, and situations, making it a valuable addition to your vocabulary. Understanding its various meanings and how to use it appropriately will enrich your communication skills and make your language more dynamic. Let's dive into 5 practical ways you can use get out effectively. Phrasal verbs, get out of a place, meaning to leave or escape from a location, often quickly or to avoid danger. Example, we need to get out of the building before the storm hits. Get out, information, meaning to reveal or spread information, often unintentionally or without permission. Example, word got out about the surprise party. Get out of doing something, meaning to avoid or escape a responsibility or obligation. Example, he always finds a way to get out of doing the dishes. Get out, expression, meaning an exclamation of disbelief, surprise, or amazement, informal. Example, you won the lottery. Get out, object, meaning to physically remove or take something out of a place or container. Example, I need to get the groceries out of the car. To summarize, the phrase get out is a dynamic and flexible expression with a variety of meanings, from leaving a place to expressing surprise or avoiding responsibilities. Mastering these different uses will help you sound more natural and confident in English. Keep practicing to make this versatile phrase a part of your everyday conversations. Thank you.